I was introduced to RPod. He came in and gave a little lecture on what Provence was, and initially wasn't really sure what this involved, but just listening to his initial presentation, I knew this was something I had to have in my practice because it's extremely non-invasive, it's extremely aesthetic, and it just really changed the way that I've understood occlusion, understood smile design, understood aesthetics. It's been great. So far, how we've implemented Provence here at the office, we've replaced missing laterals. We've replaced single laterals, a single central actually. These are cases where implants were either not possible or patients didn't have the finances to do implants. And earlier today, actually, we did a full mouth case, 2 to 15, 18 to 31, 28 teeth. I personally don't know if I ever would have tackled a case of that magnitude in porcelain, and I think this is an excellent way to get familiar with full mouth rehabs. Really makes you understand the occlusion, what it involves, how the transition from what the patient has to adding composite, transitioning to adjusting to what the patient functionality, from a functionality standpoint, what the patient needs. All of the margins that we do, that we've done so far on Provence are crisp, very minimal flash.
Really next to no resistance. All I'm doing is taking obviously a scaler here and really just going right along the gingival margin and pushing into the gingiva just ever so slightly. And you can see, like right here, a little piece of flash just really easily pops off.
How's the finish line? Margin, are you feeling a margin? What are you feeling?
Right now, it's just a nice transition all the way across. I mean, you don't even see my Explorer or my scaler bumping around there at all. It's just a nice transition.
It's just been remarkable. We've had some pretty outstanding reactions from patients, and just word of mouth referrals. I have patients that come in off the street that are new patients to our office, and they say, hey, so-and-so had Provence and I don't know more about this. Patients are absolutely shocked to know that it's about half the price of a crown, and the aesthetics are just mind-blowing.